Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Beko brand washing machine and you're getting an E17 error and you're wondering what is this E17 error and how do I get rid of it. So luckily this is a pretty easy one to deal with, and you might even notice it because what this is that this is too much foam in the drum, and you might even see it. It's super foamy in there. And so when there's too much foam, then the washing machine can't clean properly. So for this error, there's two things we want to do. One is we need to get rid of it, and secondly, we want to keep it from coming back. So to get rid of it, there's just too much suds in there. Not a whole lot to do. You can just let it do its cycle, but then once it's done its cycle, you can actually just run a cycle empty and don't put any detergent in at all, and just let it get all that detergent washed and rinsed out of there. And once you get it all rinsed out of there, you'll get rid of this error. But then you want to keep it from coming back. So you want to know, well, how did this happen in the first place? And this is usually happening for one of two reasons. The number one reason it's probably happening is super simple. You're just putting too much detergent in the washing machine when you run a wash. So you just want to make sure you're using the dose that is recommended, not pouring extra. Oh, my clothes are extra dirty, I'm going to put twice as much detergent. Don't do that. It'll just give you a whole bunch of foam and it won't clean properly. And the other thing is you could be using the wrong type of detergent. If you're not using high efficiency detergent when you should be, it can give you this foam. So anyways, hope this video helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.